Now continue with problem 4. A 12-cylinder 4-stroke cycle compression ignition engine produces 2440 kilowatt of brake power at 1550 rpm. The engine runs at stoichiometric air-fuel ratio and the engine bore is 24 centimeter and stroke is 32 centimeter. The volumetric efficiency is 97%, mechanical efficiency is 88% and combustion efficiency is 98%. So calculate mass flow rate of fuel into engine, brake specific fuel consumption and indicated specific fuel consumption, specific emission of hydrocarbons due to unburned fuels. Fourth point is emission index of unburned hydrocarbon due to unburned fuels. So students, here we start with the swept volume, that is pi by 4 d square into L into small n, where d is represented the bore diameter of the engine, L is represented stroke length and small n represented as the number of cylinder. So according to data, the diameter is 0.24 meter. Similarly, stroke length is given 0.32 in meter and number of cylinder is 12. So swept volume is 0.1737 meter cube. Now calculate the mass flow rate of air. So as we know from the previous problem, the mass flow rate of air equal to volumetric efficiency into density of air into swept volume into RPM, that is represented by capital N, and divided by number of cylinder, which is represented by small n, and divided by 60 for getting the mass flow rate in the second. And again it's a 4-stroke engine, so the power output will get in after 2 revolution, so divided by 2. So finally the mass flow rate of air will get is 0.214 kg per second. Similarly, the mass flow rate of fuel is mass flow rate of air divided by air fuel mixture. So again it's a stoichiometric air fuel ratio, and for the standard parameter for stoichiometric air fuel ratio we'll always take the 14.5 gram of air and 1 gram of the fuel. So the calculating the mass flow rate of fuel, the answer is 0.0147 kg per second. Actually, in the CI engine, the stoichiometric air fuel ratio goes around 22:1, but the engine can be classified also in the according to speed. So the engine which is lie between 1500 close to 1500 rpm is known as a slow rpm engine or low efficient engine. Secondly, if engine is more than 1550 rpm or 1600 rpm is understands under the medium speed engine, and the engine which is more than produce the 2500 rpm, it's called as a high speed engine. So because of its low rpm engine, we consider the air fuel ratio is 14.5:1, standard parameter. Now calculate the brake specific fuel consumption, which is showing the relation here, mass flow rate of the fuel divided by brake horsepower in terms of kilowatt. So The mass flow rate of fuel already we calculated, that is 0.0147 divided by 2440 multiple by 3600 into 1000 to get the answer in gram kilowatt hour. So answer is 21.688 gram per kilowatt hour. This is the brake specific fuel consumption. Now, the continue with the indicated specific fuel consumption, we are using the relation is mechanical efficiency multiplied by brake specific fuel consumption. So answer is 19.08 gram per kilowatt hour. The ISFC inside the cylinder is low compared with the BSFC, where always remember the indicated horsepower is larger than the brake horsepower in the engine. But when we talk about the ISFC or BSFC, it is shows the fuel economy of the engine. So ISFC is low compared to BSFC. Because of that, the power output, or we can say that the ISFC used to calculate the indicated horsepower. So according to situation, the at low ISFC, the indicated horsepower is delivered the larger value. So there is a no frictional losses inside the combustion chamber, because always the ISFC and IHP is calculated on the top of the piston initiation of after the completion or near to end of the combustion. So with this help, they calculate the mass flow rate of unburned fuel. So relationship, they are using the mass flow rate of unburned fuel. The few particle is always left in the combustion chamber without burn. So here we calculate that amount, how much fuel is burned without react with the air molecules. So relationship is mass flow rate of unburned fuel is equal to 1 minus combustion efficiency multiplied by the mass flow rate of the fuel. So finally we get the answer, it's 0.000294 kg per second or 0.294 gram per second. This is the value of unburned fuel. Now calculate the specific emission of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon is a fuel, or which is the somehow it is also known as a pollution, which is called the unburned hydrocarbon. So we are using the relationship mass flow of unburned divided by BHP in kilowatt. After putting the data, we get the answer is 0.43 gram kilowatt hour. Now emission index of hydrocarbon from the unburned fuel is EISC, that is called the emission index, is mass flow rate of unburned divided by mass flow rate of fuel. So finally the answer is 20 gram of the hydrocarbon moisture.